Hey guys, I got something pretty exciting today, so let me show you. I got a fetal Doppler. I know it's backwards. I'm not able to flip my camera around, but my parents got me this for a late birthday gift. I'll show you the inside. I've used it once so far, but I'm gonna try it again here in a little bit, and if I was able to get the heartbeat earlier, but I wasn't able to record, of course. But as soon as I get a good reading, I will start recording for you guys. But it's pretty exciting. It's called well, of course it doesn't say on the box. It's a Sonaline B3M, and my parents, I think they got it for. It was cheaper than the other ones. I think it was like almost $40. But on the back here, it says Crucial Medical Systems. The website's www.crucialmed.com. So, yeah, I'll show you kind of what it looks like though. So it came like this. It did come with some type of gel. And it just has you take it out of here and connect this little part to this. But the gel that comes with it, it's kind of strange. It has a sticker on the back that says kind of like what's in it, and no, Kinsley, how it's non-allergic or whatever. But yeah, so I got to try it and I really like it. And on another note, I am 21 weeks today. It's definitely going by fast. I've been feeling a little better, and a big exciting part is I've been feeling the baby move quite a bit. And my mom and my boyfriend have felt the baby move, so it's really exciting. And once I'm able to get video of it moving, I will upload that too. But I know today has been pretty rough. I worked, and then near the end I kind of started feeling really crappy. Especially on my way home, I was really dizzy, and I really thought I was going to get sick to my stomach. I don't know why. Can't think of anything really. But that's usually why I call into work, because I feel so bad. So I thought I heard something. But anyways, my ultrasound is in 8 days, and I'm really excited about that. Still probably not going to find out the gender, which makes me sad. But it's also exciting. And I keep having these crazy dreams about the baby and labor. Last night I dreamt I was in some type of farm, and I was only like 21, 22 weeks, and I gave birth to the baby. And I was like bawling because I was like, it's not going to survive. And having came and called 911 and stuff. And somehow, magically appeared in the hospital, and they said the baby was doing good, and it was a girl. And the dreams I've had, the baby's been a girl, and I don't know if that's because I have girls already, or if that's kind of a sign. That's another one. But yeah, I've been having really weird dreams, and I wake up and I just lay there for a while thinking how weird and disturbing they were. I guess that's a normal pregnancy thing, but I'm trying to think if there's anything else. I know there probably is, but I figured while I was thinking about it, I will show you guys my belly. And I apologize ahead of time if Kinsley comes in, but like they don't even know I'm pregnant yet, and I'm halfway done. But they're always surprised, and I see them look at my stomach. They're like, "Oh, I didn't know you were pregnant." I'm like, yeah, I still just look chunky right now. But I was gonna say too, while I'm thinking about it, and definitely comment if you guys have had this happen to you too. There's Kinsley. Hi, Sandy. Right here on my stomach, like right here and right here. Sometimes if I turn a certain way, it'll sound like a shock. It feels like a shock almost, and or something like moving, and I don't know how to explain it. But it's definitely weird, and I don't know if that's just a ligament pain or what, but it kind of freaks me out because it takes my breath away a little bit, and definitely feels weird. And then also my lower back has really been hurting, and kind of some pressure, and just in pain like in here as well. So I really don't know. I'm going to talk to the doctor, of course, about it, but I'm sure it's just the round ligament pain and my uterus just growing and stuff like that. But anyway, so that's all I can think of what I was going to say at the moment. But 19 more weeks to go. I'm so excited. And thank you guys for watching.